I am Pete Storm. I'm Regional Sales Manager with Grace Technologies. So Grace Technologies is all about maintenance safety, taking products and making them safer, smarter, more productive for the industrial environment, helping keep things safe. We really believe that we're saving lives by protecting personnel as best we can. Probably the coolest thing from Grace Technologies is our Proxxi Band. It is a wearable voltage detection device. We'll measure anything from 110 up to 500,000 volts AC. So think of it as smart PPE. So the idea around it is I've done my lockout tagout, and I put my dominant hand into a cabinet, and this will pick up voltage that's present. This gives you that extra layer of protection to protect the individual doing the work. So a lot of near misses happen, they go unreported, or events happen, somebody gets shocked, could lead to fatality. This is just an extra layer of protection to protect that individual. Nobody has a perfect day, right? You could go into a cabinet and some feeds come in where you didn't know that happened, it wasn't in the drawings, and this will protect you from that event happening. So if I'm a service guy, I'm going into an unknown facility, I don't know the equipment as well, this gives you that detection for voltage, that the source where you don't know where it would be, would add that layer of protection for you.